Hello students, in this video I will tell you the shortcut for chemical industry. So let's see the shortcuts. These are the shortcuts. There are 8 shortcuts. Let's see what it means one by one. First one, FADI. Actually FADI means free. So in this topic it means FADI, it is that is chemical industry is a fast growing and diversifying industry. So chemical industry is fast growing and diversifying industry. Then LSM, that is large and small scale manufacturing units. Large and small scale manufacturing units are found in these industries. Then rain organic, that is rapid growth is found in inorganic and organic sectors. Then there are two types of chemicals, inorganic and organic chemicals. Inorganic chemicals, that is Sana also studied CS. So this allowed you just to remember Sana, it means SA represents sulfuric acid, Na represents nitric acid, Al represents alkalis, SO that is soda ash. Then studied CS, that is CS represents caustic soda. Then organic chemicals. Organic chemicals includes petrochemicals. Okay, so organic chemicals, PC means petrochemicals. Then OCP, OP, that means organic chemical plants located near. OP, that is O refers oil refineries, P refers petrochemical plants. Then in Chennai, Ola cabs are available. So Chennai, that is CHE, that is it represents chemical industries. Ola, that is OLA, that is it has its chemical industry has its own largest consumer, that is Ola. Chemical industry has its own largest consumer. Okay, cabs I have given, right? So C represents consumer. Then next one is BPO.com. BPO.com, that means basic chemicals undergo processing to produce other chemicals, that is BPO. Basic chemicals undergo processing to produce other chemicals. Then .com, that means it is used for consumer markets. So these are important points. Some other points is given under inside the brackets. Okay, so let's see that also. Okay, first one, near sulfuric acid, one bracket is given, so that for that you just remember this mnemonics, that is PFSD paints ad. PFSD paints ad. First, sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is used to manufacture PFSD paints ad. That shortcut alone you just remember, that is P represents plastics, then F represents fertilizers, then S synthetic fibers, then D dyes, paints represents paints, then add, that is adhesives. Okay, then soda ash. Soda ash is used to manufacture glass. So glass, soaps, paper and detergent. So how do we remember? Let's see. Soda, you want to drink soda means you used to pour it in glass, right? So soda, glass is needed. So glass, when you want to pour soda in the glass, you before pouring it, so soap is necessary to wash the glass. Okay, so soap. Then after washing with soap, we used to wipe it with paper, right? So paper, that is paper is required. Then after after pouring the soda, that foam will arise, right? So that foam resembles like the detergent foam. Okay, so that is soda ash is used to manufacture glass, soaps, paper and detergent. So if you relate it like this means you can able to write all the 4 things. Okay, then next one is organic chemicals. I told already PC means petrochemicals. Then P squared D squared fire station, that is P2 D2 fire station. Okay, so P represents plastics and pharmaceuticals and D represents drugs and dyes. Then Fi, that is fibers. Then R represent rubbers, synthetic rubbers. Okay, so these are the points given under chemical industry. If you relate it like this means you can write all the points easily and you can score marks easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.